Hey everyone, today we're going to tackle the crucial task of calculating days between dates while excluding specific weekdays, like Fridays and Saturdays. We're using the powerful DAX network days.intl function, which is the most efficient method to do this right inside your data model, avoiding complex loops or code. Step 1. Create the new column. Open your Power BI desktop file. Navigate to the Modeling tab on the ribbon. Click the New Column button. The formula bar will appear at the top of the screen, ready for the formula. Step 2. Paste the formula. We use the networkdays.intl function because it is the only built-in DAX function that allows us to define custom weekend patterns. For the requirement of excluding Friday and Saturday, the corresponding code for the weekend parameter is the number 7. You are going to paste the following formula into that bar. Days excluding FRISAT equals networkdays.intl your table /start date, comma, your table /end date, comma, 7. Important, before you press enter, make sure you replace the placeholder, your table, with the exact name of your table in the Power BI model. You can press the tab key after typing the first few letters of your table name to auto-complete it. Step 3. Finalize the calculation. Press enter to commit the formula. The new days excluding Friday and Saturday column will immediately appear in your table. This column is now calculated row by row, showing the accurate count of business days between your start and end dates, automatically skipping every Friday and Saturday. This calculated column is now instantly available to use in any of your visuals or measures without any further filtering, ensuring your analysis is precise. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.